bad, which is what I have been. So if you keep yourself muted between sniffs, the sniffs are, I don't know what it is spatially in here, but the sniffs are really loud compared to the talking voice. And so we get, is that what we hear? And this is not fun. So please monitor your sniffing. So far we're a small group, and I really want to keep this an open discussion. Hey, Karen, about, Diamond and I, and Karen six in the back, we represent educators in VR, and we're part of the team that brings educational events into VR and AltspaceVR, but we're also about helping teachers in educational technologies into the classroom and be able to teach in VR. And so pardon, I've been talking nonstop, so my throat is just going. Weeks. Oops, somebody got some echo going on. All right, thank you. All right, we'll find out who that is, and please mute yourself if you have some loud background noise or if you're in 2D. But because I really don't want to mute. I want to have this be an open discussion. So this discussion before us is multi-form, which is that we want to make sure we want to have the discussion about what you doing. Schools are closed. If you're an educator or if you're a student and you want to incorporate VR, or if you are incorporating, what are you doing? How are you doing it? What do you want? And the questions that we're going to bring up, but that's our main theme here, is we really want to find out how VR being used and how do you want it to be used, and what are your challenges in using it. So again, I'm not going to even turn on raise hand questions. I want this to be an open discussion. And so I want everybody to be as, actually I'm going to, hold on a second. We're going to make this much easier. You're